Yeah, this is still a very active crime scene here. In fact, you can see the crime tape surrounds the entire Macomb County Circuit Court. I'm standing on Main Street. The actual crash happened just on the other side of the courthouse there on North Gratiot. What we're told by the sheriff is that they got a call around 7:25 this evening that there was a car explosion. It turns out the car did not explode. It was speeding north on Gratiot towards the courthouse, went over into the oncoming lane, crossed over, and crashed into the cement wall right attached to the courthouse and also those steps there. The result, the person behind the wheel of that vehicle has died. Now, sheriffs tell me that they don't believe anyone else was injured, anyone else was in the vehicle, although this is still an active investigation. You could see some of the pictures that we're showing and some of the images of just how badly damaged this vehicle was. Again, this came in as a call of a car explosion, just to give you an idea of the impact that this created. And so now police are still working to find out exactly what caused this car to lose control, cross over those oncoming lane traffics, jump the sidewalk, crashing into the wall. They're hoping that people will come forward with any video, any eyewitness statements will come forward so they can begin to piece this together. Here's what the sheriff says they know so far.
It appeared the car was driving at a high rate of speed, lost control, went up on the sidewalk area and ran into a wall in front of the circuit court, and upon impact the vehicle exploded.
So now crash scene investigators along with other sheriff deputies are on scene trying to figure out exactly what happened here. They said they'll probably be here for a number of hours. They did say that there doesn't appear to be any structural damage to the courthouse itself, so they do believe that come morning things will be able to resume back to normal and they will open as normally scheduled there. Reporting live in downtown Mount Clemens, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.
Dave, I know it's still very early. We've covered stories like this before where the driver maybe had a medical incident that led to the crash. Any indication there from the sheriff?
Yeah, they said they're getting some mixed results from all the witnesses. That's why they want to compile as much as they can. They don't want to speculate. They heard reports, again, unsubstantiated reports that this possible person was racing another person. But again, that has not been confirmed. That's why they want to collect as much as they can before they make any determination.
Hopefully some cameras tell a better story. Thanks so much, Dave.